to start proceedings from the school end. Salman.
This is where he. So the first boundary is at third man.
The third man fielder is a lot straighter. He's very straight. This is easy. Oh, he connects this time around. Gone the distance. The first six of the match. The first six of the final.
How he fares against the new ball. He likes to go big. Takes his chance. Good enough connection. Clears the bound in the second over.
10 runs off this over. More over the mid-wicket fielder to clear the infield for 4.
This is not the stylishly. Yeah, he's a good timer of the ball over the fielder at square leg. And
oh, that is tremendous. Got the height, and it's gone the distance to what?
What a great shot that is. Charges down the goes to 18, and this is how he brought about this stroke. Easy paced. It's not looking like a Gabba pitch or not.
Oh, the bat handle came loose
Of the handle, and the ball just skied up.
Henal Patel tastes success. The Pakistan.
The bowler Patel gets his revenge. He bowls, maintains, going after the ball, and this time losing the grip. The captain Ayush, and the ball of the handle, and the ball just skied up for 1.
Does. Oh, that's played away in the air, and that's going to be 4.
This is very good from Osman. On the boundary, gets the confidence, and Kumar clearly is struggling. Bowl the right areas. Usman Khan can gain some confidence.
Khan, who was in that squad, there was Deepak Hooda as well. In the air, the third.
For the fielder, Patel down there, and he was.
Let's go.
Yeah, slashed it, and for the fielder, Patel down there, and he was.
Clipped away. Ball might have the legs to take it over the ropes. It does. That's 4 more.
Punched away. Timing superb. Usman Khan
is moving around. He looks deaf, eyes wide open, just a push. Ja coming down few steps, very brave, because this India have just, missed that trick here.
Oh, he's taken the bowler on
All the way, and he's not scared to play it in the air, because he's... That's Samir Minhas for you. Looks so elegant all the way, and he's not scared to play it in the air, because he's so... And have a look at this already. Atish 4 6s.
gorgeous
Stuff. That is reminds me of Saeed Anwar. He used to hit them.
ain't over till it's over. It's not a sprint, it's a marathon. It's gone towards square leg.
We had just not worked for, but not to be. It's Pakistan's morning so far. Excellent catch to bring back the spirit. 91 for 1. This partnership 6. There was no one there. There was one fielder inside circle.
Winner. So safe that
It's an attacking option now, because having fielder inside, just the way he does it, right on top of. There was no one there. There was one fielder inside circle.
those skyscrapers akin to those of Dubai. Here Minhas has showcased his mentality, his tenacity.
This shows that he's not done yet.
Again, the slog sweep. He runs and a very useful shot against the off spinner. Look at that sweep. Just going over the man at short square leg, so becomes a very...
That was against India. Low. Will go down to the boundary for 4. Expensive over that.
looking good for India unless they arrest this. Because
Score. That can go. God, all the way to 497.
look here. Well, the fielder did very well. India's day. They've been missing things that India wanted. He's out for 35.
But it only gave away extra 3 runs because after he was dropped, couldn't capitalize on that.
Again, very, very ambitious to kind of release the pressure with that shot.
Kanishk Chauhan
And because Hilan Patel has been very good bowler as well. Fast shot third man. So the printer had a field day that day when these posters were.
Oh, this is smashed, and this will sail up.
What a shot that is. As you said, simply majestic. Their ball percentage compared to the average as of right now, Pakistan is underperformed. But it'll race to the boundary.
Better option to play in front of the wicket, reverse sweep option, when you can do this. And this wasn't.
What was interesting is that he jammed his hand at 9.75, and their main strike bowler, Dipesh Devendran.
Crowd have come in good numbers. A lot of them wait on the outside.
That's gone towards the.
Plenty of hearts in their mouth in the dugout as well, as it was a close.
Samir Minhas.
The last ball, he didn't middle it. So plenty of hearts in their mouth in the dugout as well, as it was a close. Says, why now?
Leading edge. This edition of the DP World Men's Under-19 Asia Cup.
तो में 50 पूरा किया ये चौथा, और यहाँ पे स्टेप आउट किया है, बन के रह गए 30 ओवर की समाप्ति, और एक महंगी ओवर साबित होते हुए आज, और ये थी पिछले ओवर की आखिरी गेंद, एक महंगा ओवर।
चलते चहलकदमी दिखाई, बिल्कुल पिचिंग तक पहुंचे। अर्ली नई गेंद की पिच, यहाँ पर दोबारा वही खिलवाड़,
और इतनी आसान गेंद देंगे तो समीर में थोड़ा चूके, और मिन्हास ने कहा नंबर 3 पर है, तो ये एक अच्छी बात है इनके लिए।
Again, this is India. Just chipped it off the bat of Samir Minhas.
Into this fantastic flick shot. That's not very flying sixes. It's going everywhere.
Still going on. 37 to Ahmed Hussain, and comes down the track. Samir Minhas.
Yeah, smashing Samir Minhas. For those eyes wide open, focus 100%. Excellent execution.
Great. Samir Minhas is out in the middle, and he is batting on 133. And
a shot carved out by.
He's picking extra cover. Yeah, look at the good punch, and he's playing it off the front foot. Tells achieved in the tournament so far. Now this is one-handed. Was not in totally control, but had enough leg.
Lost his. It was short and to be hit. Swats it away.
Yep, he was trying to go well outside the off stump, in fact, straight to the man. A very safe pair of hands. He goes for 56, Pakistan.
He can take his time to get his eye in. Heartbreaker for an Indian side as we speak. We don't know because the chase. Wow. You just need to see them and appreciate them.
Again, very manageable. Bounced a bit. And just planting it wherever he likes it.
Where's the effort ball?
Point about the body language of the Indian fielders. It's very important. We didn't, and your shoulders are drooping. That India should not feel is fast. So I'm not in any way taking.
He's off the mark, the captain.
He can see that Minhas is well set at the other.
Slowly creeping.
And also, they got a and they're playing risk-free cricket. They don't have to.
No! Watchfully played.
Was to try. And Kumar has gone for 50 runs in 5 overs. But
straight back towards the crease. Right chuckle from him. I absolutely agree because Kishan.
I think it was a lengthy bowl. Generally, how he bowls back of a length, bowls into the pitch. But I think he's brought back some control when the rest of.
Frees his arms. Patel's spell with that maximum. Fought a skyscraper as big as the Burj Khalifa when it comes. Again towards the fielder. And Haas.
That was a brain fade.
149. 279 for 3 after 40. During the death overs, Pakistan under 19 have been super. 19. It has been a gargantuan performance by...
Amazing temperament, amazing innings. Obviously, he's used the sweep shot very effectively against the Usals. Outstanding.
The character that he's shown. Just the character from there on to just... He's crossed another landmark. Of course, the fact that he's made cross 150 in this age group of under. Wow.
What about that young man? I'm just wondering whether it was a full toss or whether it was a half went over cover pitched. And look at how he goes over cover. And that and bowlers have really not found a way to restrict it.
Boom! That delivery.
And you don't bowl that and he's striking it. And that's a gift.
That. And Deepesh Devendra.
All he did was drag his length, and the mistake was. So he over, went miles up in the air, and very.
Finally, they see the back, and Deepesh Devendran gets his man.
Yeah, bowled in terms of pace. He was expecting a pace on, looking to go another look. Definitely over, went miles up in the air, and very. And 2 for 4.
Farhan Yusuf has just played 13 deliveries, and there's a
Fun. That's. Oh, was that a chance? Struck. The captain, Farhan Yusuf, is not holding back. Will come against Kanish Chauhan this time around. What a cracking bounce as I welcome Ali Yunus in the com box.
Another 6 over of him will surely take that score.
And he can hit, but against each other in the group stage, but not today. It's Kanish Chauhan who goes without troubling the scorers.
Yes, he just came in, facing third delivery. Yes, he had the license. Timing not there, yes. Uzaf's Ehsan gone without scoring. It's 300.
They get one and settle for one. I think there was hesitation. Run also gets strike back. Oh, shuffle across his stumps. He very intelligently gets 4 to end the over. It's 312 for 5. Samir Minhas at highest individual score.
In the gap. In the gap. Sort of inning from Indian fielders. It just hasn't gone their way.
Using the pace that half a step behind the ball. Tried to put in the dive. Or dived over.
Wonder why that has happened. Because we don't expect Raman at this.
Feeling. Sure. But I just get a feeling that in the initial few overs went the catch put down by Aaron George early on in the innings. So
They're not going to get. This is good. Good spray on back foot. Probably then they realize, certainly in first.
they've got the wherewithal and they've got the big match temperament.
Oh yes, Dan, go on, bold. Didn't get the connection. Good consistency, great line. Great.
Play this shot. And that one just off the inner edge of the bat. He's played in for the Pakistan under-19 captain Farhan Yusuf. He's back at one stage. Well, the Pakistan under-19s were thinking about 400. Abdul Subhan spell.
Is he feeling for it? Oh yes, give him in this game. They've taken 4 quick wickets.
Really no movement of the feet. It was pure hand. Was the one who knew the edge was there. The umpire corroborating. 7 down now for just 319 on the board as Shan heads back for 7 overs. Oh, edge just wide. That's good. There's no justice in this world for a bowler.
That's why it didn't really go towards the wicketkeeper. Like at the very end,
Firing line there.
now when the tension is by those last 18 deliveries, 22 runs only. Yeah, not to forget, when the ball gets softer, bowlers tend to get reversed.
325 on the board. have surpassed what India posted. 300 and all got 100 in that final as well. Oh, the crowds queuing.
360. One has been guided towards third. Two is a
Yes, there's Abhiga and Kundu you see in your screens. Not only queuing up, they're also trying to.
It's always good to have a building around. Very expensive building. This must be today.
Takes the aerial route. There's a fielder there. Devendran gets his third wicket in the final.
Yeah, I wanted to go that point. Fielder at the boundary line. Dhawan will go back after scoring 2 runs. 327
After this, almost had another wicket.
From Matre had a fielder placed there. They all enjoyed it. They all.
As bowling the 48th, he's got one more. The problem for India today was that Kumar.
Yeah, as they said. Yeah, let alone talking about the boundaries, has not been
Malaysia. Why do the fielder? They should come back for 2 for the first time now.
poster boy. Good bowling outside the off stump, giving nothing. Indian bowlers.
Yes, it's the final over of the inning now. Sarfraz knows that they may be about 30-40 short from what. Slow away, should be taken or put down. Deep pointed, as every bowler is when a catch.
Yeah, bowler to a bowler. Tired right when it just hit the palms.
Another slower one. Again, they're wanting the. Pakistan would have taken 340, 342. Yes, they would have. Goes big.
Things that matter. And maybe that last 6.
They get 12 runs off that final over in the final, which means India will have to pull off a record.
They will be happier side going into the break. 347.
The big knock. He got 177 earlier. That was against the 137-run stand between Hussain and Minas. It's really
Expensive, giving away 83 runs. Patel getting a couple of wickets.
Cup 2025 between India under 19, who are 6-time champions, conducive for runs. And Farhan Yusuf would be hoping, already made their name. It doesn't matter what their records are.
He's been into the big boys. It was 100 in IPL. Just been as all of them, they've been waiting since morning to get with him. It's the captain. Another important Pakistan fast ball sensation. Ali Raza has taken 5 wickets. As you said, like bowling on this, and this is in front of us. 348 runs of
Final against India in 2012.
348 runs. All they need to do is be disciplined.
He takes him on and sends Banshi. That's how you lay down a marker.
Off. Very first delivery. It is how easy, how comfortable, how good. Lots of good to them.
Take it. Just mistimed a wee bit.
Free hit given. Oh God, this is not what you want to do.
Getting interesting already. A free hit for... A free hit. And he makes 13 already on the board.
Great shot. Because he's super talented. His intent is clear. He wants to see his team home. So you Ratish, he's not going to earn.
One more time. Suryavanshi is ready for this challenge.
That is some talent. It was not a bad delivery, I tell you, to pick it up. Great swing off the bat. Great balance here.
Oh, trying to give it the long handle once more.
That Ali Raza should be looking to bowl. That length, too good to miss out on anything that is there in his zone. So already a
Matre on strike. Along the ground.
technically correct batter. He's a good captain though. He's a very smart captain. But
Driven. Run.
I think he's made it. Because he was not...
Sigh of relief. All across the ICC. Yeah. Down leg.
Fast bowlers. In the first spell, the giveaway round.
Slashes at it and misses. Timeline perhaps. If you recall, he was getting treatment on his hamstring.
And the way he hits them, these are big monstrous hits. These are
Better fielding effort required in the crowd.
yeah, but that doesn't swing. Look at that. And the way he hits them, these are big, monstrous hits. These are things don't look good for Pakistan.
Already. Streaky.
The wickets. Ayush Matra, the captain, he must be very careful. He must see.
Interest. Three of them converging. Dropped. Lifeline. Call the ambulance.
Yeah, that's a big moment. It's Ali Raz. There were three fielders entrusted outside the. Look at this. Oh no, just hard hands. Siam dropped Ali Raz's on Ali Raz's bowling. Same batter.
Want as part of your team. Remember that era of gift and return. Again, taking a single. This time much.
Yeah, that's where he's so good. Ali is. He's got those in dippers in this big game. But the focus will be on this ball.
Mid off. Completely flummoxed.
Wicket, massive wicket. They're all loving it. But such a big game, Atish. Can always get carried away. The captain himself.
Yeah, he should be safe. He should be safe.
Is right where it should be. Yeah. Talented Ayush Matra walks back, scoring 2, 32 for 1. See, he's a different bowler, Atish. I told you to. He went too full, wanted to go probably straighter than where he did. I said it might be Ali Raz's evening and the day. 48 the target.
Watched.
Yeah, showing good rhythm. He just gets the captain. He knows how to get his troops going.
Edge. No second slip. Boundary.
Yeah, that's how he does. That will take it just away from the body, just poking at it. It's in between the two fielders, a gully and a slip.
Front face of the bat. He did. Meanwhile, Webb of Suryavanshi has survived one scare.
Angry. But he should be angry at himself.
Cut away. There is a plan in motion from Pakistan's side. Clearly, they have.
From off stump to maybe the fourth stump and bowl up edge. But if you bowl to his body, towards his leg stump or
Strayed. Oops. That's a welcome boundary for Aaron George.
in the game. Yes, you have bowled in over, but still towards his leg side. Yeah, better effort.
Classic covered.
Previous one down the leg side. This one, he can too. Look at this, great, beautiful. Finding the gap too.
3.3 overs, 3.4 overs have felt like.
Righty in that inning. And again in the air, but away. And him runs, if not a boundary. Yes, it is a boundary. So
That is like, he can hit that cover drive with his eyes closed. A ball and just punches it through. Piercing.
few steps. Is so
Oh, it's right at the helmet, and this could be caught. Siam gets the last laugh.
it's a big wicket. Another over. Again looking to take him on.
Oh, it's right at the helmet, and this could be caught.
Got it right. Yes, celebrate. He can. Aaron George going back, scoring 16.
In the previous outing against Sri Lanka in the semi-final, Aaron has come in a way, troubling times for.
Edge, yes! Gone big! What a time! What a moment in this game! They now start to believe. Yes!
Oh, he was trying to take the bowler on at the first, over his head. Claims it. The danger man. 26 off 10. But India under.
It's been brilliant from Pakistan. Fantastic spell. Couple of wickets already to his name.
Keep in mind, 20 was scored of his first over.
The catch. Very good catch. It was always needed to stay, but too many chances given. Yeah, that.
Yeah, certain war of words, but eclipsing how they managed to do so against Malaysia under 19. That lets you know that India is on the back.
Yes, Kundu has scored a 200, but this bowling lineup, they're on fire. They mean business. They want to win this one.
Pakistan is piling on the pressure. Yes, in the carpet. And he can now just say, okay.
They've been taken by Subhan, who's been brilliant. Almost.
That was a ball to be hit.
And for Pakistan. They keep on changing, they keep on rotating Subhan, and then you'll see Ali Raza back. Because they know they've got 3 main wickets.
Crunched away and off the overthrow. Wow, a second slip.
They charge up. Happy for each other's success. That's what you do. Happy for each other. Very important role. Oh, Gohan knocks him over. Wrong in this tournament. Pakistan is on fire. Atra. Wonderful spell.
Do need to stitch together a partnership. As I welcome Salman Bhatt in the commentary box.
Thank you, Ram. 63 for 4 as Vedant plays on top of that, timing it, controlling it.
Scoreboard pressure. 12 and over, and now the current run rates dropped to under.
It being 348, so almost 350, so it's a huge arc.
Well, it's a free hit ball, so he has the license to. Fortunately for him, he's not been able to maximize.
This was again thing I've noticed about Sayam is that he just keeps on out of the pitch, and this is how he got Aaron. It's a clever operator. He's a thin boy like Ali Raza, but got to appreciate what we saw earlier from Samir Manhar. Goes to fine leg. The batters will look for 2, and they'll come back easily.
No, it's a sound of the bat hitting the ground. The Indians have. Look at the consistency with which this young man's got runs. Meanwhile,
All to be bowled in his over second one, and this is the Indian cap. Chance and taken. Sayam.
he couldn't let this one go. Vedant Trivedi, the side in a spot of bother.
Traditionally are a team that can turn up to be started this tournament. Now it's a different team, different bunch it's looking. And once again that length, important length.
Subhan almost not.
Indian camp can under.
Oh, lost his footing there. It's Subhan. One of those stumbles that can prove to be fatal for a fast. Oh, could be a run out here. 100 plus. When you've batted first, you've got another. But for the moment, it's Vigyan Kundu. He says there's still some fight left in this match.
Here Kundu the other day as well, as if he's just waited for some spinner to come on.
Driven back the overs. You could have looked to go after them. Maybe seen.
This time just easy one. Seven Chauhan have a mountain to climb.
Taken the first quickly. Not taking the.
His flow is spinner. Driving or even taking the aerial route.
As well. He retained strike with that single. It's 80.
This is in the air. Chance
Under the sky to take the catch. Really wasn't settled. Not under the. He had another wicket coming his way, but it was not to be. Sliced away.
Yes, Subhan had worked his way brilliantly, but the fielder, he spoiled the party for the bowler.
That could be taken. It will be move an inch. It was almost like it was a Christmas gift delivered.
Brings the undoing of another aiming at the stumps, and Kundu, well, he just
That could be taken. It will be.
just over there. I don't know what he was thinking.
Worked away the mark. With a couple of runs added on to, including the 2 that he's taken today. 11 before he came into this match.
Working on the leg. Chard. He just placed it, gentle one.
He's a capable bat, Ganesh Chauhan.
Yeah, talk about this attack. And this will get to the boundary before Ali Raza. It's just that the hard length has been difficult to handle for the Indian.
That's probably something that
Farhan Yusuf, the Pakistan.
his brilliance first posted a big tone all over India. Welcome, Roshan.
Think is that India has to blame themselves for this. But we spoke about how India created opportunities. They didn't take the... And this surface... See, there is no doubt that scoreboard... But what I felt was, Suryavanshi has been given the first over. But it was very important that he had... And solid batters in quick time, Fidai.
That's the reason why they have lost 6 wickets, have bowled out their opponents in all the matches, including.
Let's not forget they are up against a good Indian batting side. Pressure. 93 for 6.
In this match, you look at that name. So, Minhas, one coming down, and the fielder does a brilliant job to stop that. Saved a few boundaries, not allowed extra runs, just a catch drop. Roshan.
Yeah, I see this as a...
Oh, this is in the air. And it's another wicket.
Extra bit of pace. They're down a slippery slope, but onto him quick. Thank you very much at mid-on. A little bit too